Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for 86 Links Road in the sought after location of Lundin Links. Now this is a great 2-bedroom first floor apartment. It's in this really safe and secure complex. It has got its own private parking. It is in moving condition, which you'll see for yourself in just a minute, and it has got a newly renovated bathroom. Now the views from this property across one of the golf courses is amazing, so let me just show you that and then I'll take you on the tour of the property. So this is the view that you'll have from your property. It's over, as I say, one of the golf courses within Lundin Links, and just beyond that is the Firth of Forth. So this is what will greet you every day from your property. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to meet you inside the property in just a minute. Okay, so we are now in the property, and straight away you can see that you are greeted with this really large and open hallway, which is great to come into. Straight to our right here is a really good sized storage cupboard that is partially shelved, so it is a really good sized storage cupboard. Now I'm going to take you to the second bedroom out of the two. Now straight away you can just see how light and airy this bedroom is. It's a really good sized bedroom. That is a good sized bed, and you still have plenty of floor space. Now there you have your Velux windows, which is doing a great job at letting natural light into this room. Now just to give you an idea of the space, I'm going to take you to this side of the room. Now straight away there you can see you have a double fitted wardrobe. Again, great storage space, which is a real plus with this property. So this is your second bedroom. It's a really good size. Okay, and now I'm going to take you across the hallway to the main bedroom. So again, the size of this one is fantastic. You've got all your bedroom furniture in this room, and you still have plenty of floor space, which you'll see just here. That was a little sneak peek at the view, but I will show you that properly in just a second. So this is your main bedroom. Again, double fitted wardrobe, which is brilliant storage. And look at all the floor space. This is a really good sized main bedroom. Now back to the view then. This is the view that you get from your bedroom window, which is just incredible. It's a lovely day here today as well. It's so peaceful and quiet. And just in the distance there is the Firth of Forth. And that is the view. So imagine open your curtains on a morning and that's what greets you. It's a great way to start the day. So that is your main bedroom. So we're going to go back out into the hallway. Again, a really good sized hallway, nice and light and airy. That is to get you into the building safely. So it's a really safe and secure complex. As you'll see, you've got a large window just here in your hallway, and that just gives you an idea of how quiet and peaceful it is here. Now just opposite that window is your bathroom. So this is newly renovated, and it's done to a really good standard and high quality finish. Now you have your heated towel rail. And then just to give you an idea, that is a really good sized shower cubicle. And as I say, this is a really good high finish bathroom. So that's your bathroom for the property. And then just at the end of the hallway here, we go into the main reception room. So this is a really good sized room, which I will show you. Now, another plus with this is you have windows at either end of the room, so it lets in amazing light, and of course you can take advantage of the views. Now they're using this particular end as the dining area. Now that's a good sized dining table, and again, another plus with this property is the floor space that you have. It's really versatile, so you can obviously play about and lay out as you wish in here, but you have the space to do so. So we'll walk down into the seating area. Now of course you know why they've done it, because they want to take advantage of the views, which they absolutely have done. So this is the view from your lounge. You honestly can't get over that view. Imagine sitting here on an evening and watching the sunset go down. That would just be lovely. So this is the view from your living room. So again, just to give you an idea of the size, we'll show you it from this end of the room. So you have plenty of space to play about with your furniture. So we're going to go into the kitchen now. This is the third room that you get the incredible views from. So you really are taking advantage of it from every opportunity within this property. So this is your kitchen. This is a really good sized kitchen as well. Again, they have additional seating here, which you can or, you know, not do. It's completely up to you, but at least you know that you have the space to do so, which is brilliant. So this is your kitchen. And then again, that is your view. So the third room within this property that you really can optimize that view, which is just incredible. So just to give you an idea of space, this is your kitchen. So it's a really good sized kitchen for this property. So let's just come out here. I can see the view in the distance just there. So this is 86 Links Road in Lundin Links. This is a first floor 2-bedroom apartment. As you can see, it is in moving condition. It's in a really safe and secure complex, private parking, and of course you get the unobstructed view all year round. Now this particular property is coming to the market at offers over 150,000. You're within Lundin Links, which is a really sought after location. You have local amenities, that being a coffee shop, a convenience shop, a pharmacist, and also a wee ladies clothing boutique. Just a couple of minutes drive, you also have Silverburn Park, which is amazing for doing events for you and your family. There is always something on. Just beyond that, you also have Blacketty Farm Shop and Cafe, which is great to get your local fresh produce at. So you really are in a great location here, and you're only 11 miles from St Andrews, which is obviously the golf capital, and you have even more shops there as well, restaurants, pubs. You have everything really on your doorstep with this property. So 86 Links Road, offers over 150,000. Now, if you wish to view this property or if you have any questions, then please reach out to me directly here, or you can call the team on 01333 421 774. Sophie at Fife Properties TV, take care.